Barney and Baby Bop go to the doctor. Baby Bop is going to the doctor for her checkup.
It's been 1 year since you had your last checkup,
says Barney. I'm a little scared, says Baby Bop.
I know,
says Barney.
Going to the doctor can be scary, but remember, doctors are friends. They help people stay healthy.
At the doctor's office, Baby Bop sees Julie the nurse. Hi, Baby Bop. It's good to see you again. I'm here for my checkup. What is a checkup? Asked Baby Bop. A checkup, says Nurse Julie, is when the doctor examines or checks you from your head to your toes.
He wants to make sure you're strong and healthy,
says Barney. The doctor comes in to see Baby Bop. She thinks her doctor is very nice. How are you doing? Asked Dr. Russell. I'm strong and healthy, says Baby Bop. Now Dr. Russell says, take a deep breath. Baby Bop takes a deep breath. Good job, Baby Bop.
I need to listen to your heartbeat,
says Dr. Russell. The stethoscope may feel cold. Baby Bop hears her heartbeat too. Ker-thump, ker-thump, ker-thump. Dr. Russell looks at her eyes and inside her ears. That tickles, says Baby Bop with a giggle. The doctor taps Baby Bop's knee and her foot jumps up. That felt funny, says Baby Bop. You were a good patient, Baby Bop, and you are strong and healthy. I'm glad you came to see me today, says Dr. Russell. I'm glad I came too, says Baby Bop. Going to the doctor isn't so scary, Barney. Doctors help people stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.